Alrighty, today's not a construction update or anything, so if you're here for that, click off. But I just wanted to do a last push and show you guys what these kinds of events can be like. So Canada's went and hosted their Sick Kids event, and it had about 230 people attending, and this is what AlpenFury's line looked like after everyone had gotten about 1 or 2 rides on AlpenFury because it's so intense. And it was kicking all of our butts. So it became a walk-on, and that is with just AlpenFury and all the kids' rides open in the area. We have AlpenFury and Leviathan rented out from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. this July 30th, guaranteed. Rented out, and it is coming around the corner. We were going to cut tickets off today. We're going to extend it until Wednesday. So you have until Wednesday to purchase a ticket to our event. I believe it's $59.99. I click the link down below and find out. I believe it's $59.99, which gets you access to the event. You still need a season pass or a day ticket to get into the event as well. That gets you access into Wonderland. Our event is separate from the Wonderland ticket. But nonetheless, if you are under the age of 16 and you need a parent or guardian there and they don't want to ride, email me through the promo ticks. So you can send an email through there and contact us, or on Instagram, and we'll get a parent or guardian registered on the non-ride list attending with you. So you don't have to pay anything. If you need a parent or guardian there, just reach out to us. Have your parent or guardian reach out on Instagram or via promo ticks, the email link. And we'll be able to help you out. You also should have my email from just the email updates. We will be sending out an email update to everyone who has tickets in the next couple of days. I'm supposed to get all the event details, where to come, where we can park, what time we can start arriving on Monday. And once I get that, I'll email you guys. There won't be any water available at the park between 8 and 10 a.m., so I would definitely bring a water bottle that you can refill at the water fountains. Just so you have some hydration, because riding roller coasters can definitely kick your butt, so you definitely need hydration. So bring a water bottle, please, and eat a breakfast before coming. The tolls should be opening around 7:30, and check-in at front gate will begin at 7:30 as well. We'll be doing check-in, giving you your bracelets, which you'll need to ride. We have a bunch of bracelets made, some pretty cool ones. We weren't going to do bracelets, but I learned from Wonderland's event that as soon as they let guests in at around 9:15 a.m., it can become very confusing, and Wonderland was relying on our event bracelets or lanyards, so I decided I was going to create an event bracelet to prevent any confusion, so we're on top of it. So they should be arriving any day now and ready for you guys. I made them really cool and themed, so you guys would want to keep them after. On top of that, so parents or guardian reach out, 7:30 a.m. check-in, so I would arrive around 7:15 a.m. We're going to really try. I have a whole team of people. We're going to try and really conquer that as quickly as possible. We have event t-shirts that'll be there as well for anyone that ordered a t-shirt. They are ready to be picked up. If you would like yours before the event, please reach out to me this week on Instagram, and we'll organize a pickup. You have to reach out to me the day before or 2 days before so I can organize how many t-shirts to pack in my trunk, and I'll start organizing some pickups for you guys. Outside of that, you can pick up your t-shirt the day of the event as well. You don't have to pick it up before. And yeah, so it's a really good event. I promise you. You have Leviathan and AlpenFury. If AlpenFury goes down for any delays, I would go over to Leviathan. Don't wait. Go over to Leviathan. AlpenFury will be open up probably 10-15 minutes later. And yeah, you'll be able to get a lot of rides on Leviathan if you want them. It's a great event for that. AlpenFury, you'll still be able to get a lot of rides. You saw, Kate and I got a lot. We got 10 rides, and the ride was 30 minutes delayed opening, and we still got 10 rides with 233 guests. And I'm capped at 250 guests. So don't worry. It's a great event. You're going to love it. So click the link down below and get your tickets before this Wednesday so we can start creating that guest list and getting everything organized with our scanners and all that. Definitely keep your ticket on you. Have it ready for the event, by the way. Your printed ticket or on your phone, ready to go. Make sure it's the right date. Remember, May 28th tickets are working for July 30th. May 29th tickets are working for September 6th or September 20th. So you have to have the May 28th tickets to get into this event. If you have any questions, please message us on Instagram or email us with the email that went out to you guys with details. Okay? Any questions, reach out, please. We want no confusion. Have a good one, guys. Bye.